Góðan daginn and welcome to the Iceland Food Center. Today we are going to make a cheap, cheerful and delicious comfort food, Icelandic rice pudding. You will need 1 liter of milk, 100 grams of sugar, healthy pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a bit of butter, and of course, rice. In Scandinavia, you would traditionally use short grain rice or pudding rice, but lots of Icelandic people swear by using river rice extra long grain. So you can probably just use whichever rice you have in the house. Now cover the rice with water and season it with a touch of salt. Now this is optional, but at this point we like to add a bit of butter to add to the creamy goodness of it. Come on, there we go. You're gonna wanna do this low and slow, so put your heat on medium-low. And as it is coming up to temperature, just give it the old stirry-worry to make sure there aren't any rice stuck to the bottom of the pan. Cleaning burnt rice from the base of a saucepan is awful. Once the water is boiling, it's time to add your milk. This time we are using whole milk, full fat. But you can use semi-skim or skim if you like, but also if you want to do it vegan, you can use oat milk, no problem whatsoever, and just skip the butter. In my household, we actually prefer it, but also it's good for those people who don't like the smell of warm milk. Now while this is cooking, it's time for us to prepare the topping. We are going for the most common and simple route. Cinnamon and sugar mixed together. Just use 1 teaspoon to about 100 grams of sugar and combine them well. While this is probably the most common topping, people sometimes, on fancy days, like to add some caramel on top. Don't forget to stir your rice every so often. This is a low-effort dish and you are cooking it on low, but milk has a habit of burning the moment you look away from it. By the looks of this probably needs another 5 to 10 minutes, I think. Now let's see, the rice has nice consistency and the milk has been completely absorbed. Now this is really starting to take the shape of an Icelandic savory rice pudding. Now let's plate this baby up and let's eat. As you can see, the consistency is such that it can hold its own. Oh, come here, little guy. And let's add the topping. Oh, beautiful. You can also add cream or milk, but I'm ready. So there we have it. The Icelandic rice pudding. Let's dig in. Yes. See, this is just too good. And like so many other Icelandic foods, it is dead simple to make and such comfort food. This is just perfect, but let's get some more sugar. Nice. We do hope you give this a try, and if you do, please let us know how it turned out. This is also a great dish for this weird time we're going through all together right now. It's cheap and it's tasty. Stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to try new things in the kitchen. And as always, verði ykkur að góðu.